welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this big black train I got. It was supposed to be in the last video, but for some reason I was having problems with my phone and it wasn't recording the videos properly. I was able to fix it, but then I guess I just did not end up recording this. I guess I forgot. But this was supposed to be in the last video, but I'm showing it to you in this video. So thank you to the viewer who sent me this train, and let's do a close-up of this train. Now that I have showed you this big black train, I'm going to put Thomas and Percy on the tracks, and they are going to pull the express coach. So we have Thomas and Percy, and we're going to put them on the tracks. Now that I have Thomas and Percy on the track, we're going to let them go around. Uh-oh, looks like Thomas derailed. Oh no. Now we're going to let Percy pull the train. Unfortunately, Percy is stuck in the tunnel, so we're lifting the tunnel up and helping Percy back on the track. Now we can put the tunnel back. Finally, we are going to put Emily on the tracks. She hasn't been on the tracks for quite a long time, so we are going to put her on the track. Now let's see if she runs. Oh, wrong way. Finally, the last thing we are going to do in this video is the fun fact of the video. You guys voted in a poll I posted on my community page. You voted. I had lots of options. I said, which train would you like me to tell facts about next? You guys said Charlie, Belle, and Duck. So we are going to show you Charlie, Belle, and Duck. Just gotta find them. Here we are. So here is Charlie. So Charlie is colorful purple, has colorful purple paintwork. He has a bucket that holds oil and rags right here. He also has a round driver's window and a lamp. Move the camera up a bit. He has a lamp mounted on his front railing. Charlie's fact file is his role is shunting in the yards. His home is Knapford Yards, and he likes telling jokes and racing Thomas. Charlie, cheerful, cheeky, little engine. When Charlie joins the team, he wants everyone to join in his pranks. He soon learns that being really useful is as much fun as joking around. The next engine we have is Belle. Belle, Sodor's speediest fire engine. Big brave Belle saves the day when fire threatens. Her powerful water cannons can put out any blaze in a second or two. Belle is based on a large British steam engine, but with added hose pipes to help her fight fire. She has royal blue paintwork, fiery red wheels and buffer beam. Hose pipe sprays water and a friendly expression. Fun fact, Belle is the French word for beautiful. And last but not least, Belle's fact file role, she is a fire engine. Her home is Sodor Search and Rescue Center. She works with Flynn and likes boosting Flynn's confidence. Finally, the last engine we will tell facts about today is Duck. Duck, the pioneer tank engine. Everyone loves Duck. He is loyal, brave, kind, and rarely makes a fuss. Duck's work ethic has earned him a great honor, his very own branch line. Duck is a pioneer tank engine. This means he has water tanks on either side of his boiler. Fun fact, Duck got his nickname because he waddles. His real name is Montague. Fact file. Role, running the Little Western Line. Works with Oliver. Likes following traditions from his old railway. That's all our facts about the trains today. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!